her two sons ceased to exist, leaving Wanda more heartbroken than ever. Around this time, she also came into possession of the Darkhold, one of the most cursed books in the entire MCU. Simply reading the Darkhold caused its dark magic to slowly corrupt her mind. The book introduced Wanda to the existence of the multiverse and the possibility that versions of her children were alive in other universes. Desperate to be with them again, she set out on a multiversal rampage, battling Doctor Strange, Wong, the Sorcerers of Kamar-Taj, and even the Illuminati of Earth-838 in an attempt to steal another Wanda's children. In the end, however, Wanda realized that she had become the very monster she feared. She chose to destroy every copy of the Darkhold across the multiverse, seemingly sacrificing herself in the process to ensure its evil could never corrupt anyone again. Whether Wanda actually died remains unknown, and many fans continue to speculate that she could return in future MCU projects such as Doomsday or Secret Wars. Doctor Strange. After Doctor Strange returned from the blip in Endgame, he discovered that he was no longer the Sorcerer Supreme. Since the world believed Strange had permanently died during the snap, the title had passed to the next in line, his close friend Wong. In 2024, Peter Parker sought out Strange after Mysterio revealed his identity as Spider-Man to the entire world. Strange agreed to help by casting a powerful spell that would make everyone forget Peter Parker was Spider-Man. However, Peter repeatedly interrupted the spell, causing it to become unstable and tear open the barriers of the multiverse. As a result, villains from other universes began appearing on Earth 616. During the climax of the movie, Strange cast a second spell that successfully sealed the rift, but at the cost of making the entire world forget Peter Parker altogether, including Strange himself. Just a few months later, Strange met and rescued America Chavez, a girl with the unique ability to travel the multiverse by creating star-shaped portals. She was being hunted by Wanda Maximoff, who had been corrupted by the Darkhold and wanted to steal her powers. Together, Strange and America accidentally traveled across multiple universes, including Earth-838, where Tony Stark's Ultron program had successfully protected the planet and led to the creation of the Illuminati, a team consisting of heroes such as Captain Carter, Reed Richards, Professor X, and several others. They also visited a destroyed universe that had been wiped out by an incursion, where Strange encountered an evil variant of himself. After defeating him, Strange discovered another copy of the Darkhold and used it to dreamwalk into the corpse of a dead Doctor Strange, allowing him to fight Wanda and ultimately save America Chavez. In the end, Strange encountered another powerful sorcerer named Clea, who recruited him to help stop incursions across the multiverse. Together, the two entered the Dark Dimension, where they have not been seen since. Many believe that this storyline will lead directly into either Doomsday or Secret Wars. In the comics, Doctor Strange eventually becomes one of Doctor Doom's closest allies on Battleworld, helping him maintain order across his kingdom, and some speculate the MCU may adapt a similar storyline in the future. Peter Parker. As we talked about before, Doctor Strange successfully cast a spell in 2024 that made the entire world forget Peter Parker, leaving Spider-Man's true identity a mystery to everyone. This leads directly into the events of Brand New Day, which takes place in 2028. By this point, Peter has been living as Spider-Man and protecting New York for 4 years, while almost completely isolating himself from having a normal life. Over the course of the film, Peter's arachnid DNA, which he acquired after being bitten by the radioactive spider years earlier, continues to evolve and mutate, making him increasingly more spider-like. As a result, he becomes significantly stronger, developing enhanced senses, faster reflexes, and even organic webbing. It is also during these events that he meets Jean Grey, a mutant with powerful telepathic abilities. She uses her powers to control enemies such as the Hand and even Bruce Banner as the Hulk in an attempt to stop Peter. However, by the end of the movie, Peter and Jean come to an understanding and part ways on good terms. In the post-credits scene, Ned Leeds' Spider Tracker reveals that Spider-Man has somehow been transported into outer space. What this actually means is still unknown, but many fans speculate that Peter has been taken to Battleworld, the planet Doctor Doom is expected to create after the events of Doomsday. We'll just have to wait and see. Bruce Banner. Bruce Banner is one of the longest-standing